Hey guys, so we have prepped the wheels by cleaning them with degreaser and then the Omni Clean that comes with Black Pearl. Then we went ahead and took it one step further and also cleaned them with kerosene, so it strips off that last layer of anything that could be on there. Now we're going to be putting on the Black Pearl. This is going to give it a gloss shine. There's 3 different finishes you can do. There's a flat, there's a satin, and then there's this one. Goes on like Crayola blue. Super crazy. Tripped us out the first time that we put it on. Had to call Robert late night. Thanks, Robert, for picking up the phone. We appreciate it. That's all you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to apply it to the rolling applicator. You can actually get these in the kit. And all you're going to do is you're just going to slowly apply it.
Yes, sir.
Again, when it first goes on, it's going to look super blue. All it makes me think of is Crayola. Super crazy, I know. But don't freak out. Once air kind of gets to it, it starts to turn the black glossy color like you're used to. And if it looks like it's kind of almost oiling up on the surface and not really like sticking or adhering, slow down. It means you're going way too fast. The roller is going to kind of help you almost beat the material in. So if you go too fast, it almost looks like the blue color is just kind of sitting on the tire. So again, that's just a sign there's nothing wrong. Just slow it down. And you just want kind of a thick, even layer. And with this, guys, the cleaning is the most vital part. The cleaner this tire is, the easier it's going to make it for the application. If the tire is not clean, one, it's going to go on, but it's not going to do what it's supposed to. You should at least be able to get 6 months out of this, maybe more, depending on the drive, the miles, how you store the car, all of that good jazz.
A sunny, breezy, and cool start to the work week.
If the tire isn't prep right, the coating's just not going to stick to it. So you may not even get that 6 months. So just make sure you clean it right. The last thing you want to do is go through this, put it on, and then have an unhappy customer.
Most of tonight, late night, you'll start to see some of those clouds moving in, waking up to cloudy skies, and a slight chance for some showers Tuesday. Check in with John starting at 5 for your Weather Authority forecast on News for Jax or anytime on our WJXT Weather Authority app.
This report is sponsored by your Southern Chevy dealers. Everyone is excited about the all-new...
The one over the letters is like the worst part to me.
Check them out for yourself at the auto show. Visit your Southern Chevy dealers or visit ChevyDealer.com to learn more about their exciting auto show offers today.
This is where my impatience comes in. I want to be done. But nice, slow, and easy.
On 92.3 BJ.
Don't miss the February 28th grand opening of the new Floor & Decor in Jacksonville. If you have never been to a Floor & Decor, you have to go to the grand opening.
Hardwoods, laminates, tile, or stone. Holy smokes, this place is huge. I'm on a budget, and I was able to go to Floor & Decor and save a lot of money.
You will be blown away by this experience.
The pros come here, I come here.
If you love your wallets and you love your home, you have to go. Floor & Decor, opening February 28th in Jacksonville at St. John's Town Center off Brighton Boulevard. Or visit flooranddecor.com.
see it to believe it. It's the grand opening of the new Floor and Decor store at St. John's Town Center. And we're having a Super Saturday celebration on March 2nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There'll be activities for the whole family and a chance for adults to win $1 million from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. No purchase necessary. See store for details. Come celebrate our new Jacksonville store at the St. John's Town Center on March 2nd. Floor and Decor, 10595 Franklin Boulevard in St. John's Town Center. Or visit flooranddecor.com.
Starting a busy day with coffee shouldn't be complicated. Circle K Premium Coffees make it easy. You can get a premium coffee or cappuccino starting at just 99 cents every day. Circle K Premium Coffees. Only at Circle K.
Hey, it's right here, and if you like McDonald's classics, then you're going to want to listen to me from 2 to 7 p.m. because thanks to McDonald's, they're going to get more of what you love. More music and more crispy bacon. That's right, for a limited time, you can get the Big Mac, McDonald's world-famous fries, and a quarter pounder with bacon, which begs the question, is this the best thing to happen to McDonald's classics? Or to bacon? It's hard to argue that Big Mac, 2 all-beef patties, and special sauce take bacon to another level. And McDonald's golden crispy fries have always been a go-to. Not to mention the hot and delicious juicy quarter pounder is a legitimate classic. So, what side of the debate are you on? Try them for yourself and pick a side. Tune into my show later to hear my take on the classics versus bacon debate. And I'm gonna give you a chance to win some bacon bucks so you can try all 3. The Big Mac with bacon, the cheesy bacon fries, and the quarter pounder with bacon. But remember, they're only here for a limited time at participating McDonald's. So get out there and try them today. Hey, it's T-Roy here for Safe Touch Security. And the question is, how safe are you? The other day when I was watching Channel 4, they had a story talking about these do-it-yourself companies. Well, they're at it again. Their doorbell has been spied on by their own employees and other people just by having their email address. How crazy is that? Listen, these companies that provide the do-it-yourself doorbells and cameras, their employees and other people were caught spying on you. All they needed was you to have their product and have your email. That's not safe, but not at Safe Touch. At Safe Touch, we use the highest grade professional equipment with encrypted technology. Listen, log on to safetouch.com or call 888-723-8682. That's 888-723-8682 or log on to safetouch.com. State license EF233.
Where do you go? On Sundays, you come to Priscilla.
That's
Orange-
right.
I love Sundays.
Sunday fun
I get so
days.
many people in here on Sundays because they love shopping through Silo and Nissan right here in Orange Park during Cruise with Huge Month. That's right, everybody gets a cruise. They purchase or leases a new Nissan. And then if we rip up your contract randomly, we rip up contracts, your car's free.
This is crazy.
Listen to me, I've been here ever since we did this last year. No matter what restaurant I go in at night, Mr. Vasilla, when are you going to rip up another contract? Well, guess what? We're going to rip them up this month. It's Cruise Reviews
Let 'em rip.
and rip up contracts. Like, your dealers are ripping you off, Jacksonville. Not us. We're ripping up contracts, okay?
This is so rewarding.
Hey, cars, how do you like us now?
How do you like
Okay,
it,
so
man?
Jacksonville's great. We love being here. Our first year was unbelievable.
Mm-hmm.
You know, with all the stores we have all over, Jacksonville's got to be one of my favorite spots.
And now we're gonna rip up your contract.
It's unbelievable. Come see us where everything is. McKinsey is huge.
Peace of mind. It's one of the most important things we can have. And